Boys Rock School. My name is Seth. Today we're going to learn how to do the first beat on the drum set, and that's going to be called rock beat number 1. So it's really simple. We're going to be using 3 different drums here, or 3 different parts of the drum set. We have our bass drum, our snare drum, and hi-hat. So the first movement you're thinking of during the rock beat number 1 is going to be the bass drum and the hi-hat, and you play them together. Alright, that's your first movement. Notice how my right hand is actually crossed over my left to play the hi-hat. That's super important. So that's the first movement. The next movement is going to be both your hands playing at the same time. Right hand on the hi-hat, left hand on the snare. So you can practice these individually. Alright, if playing together is kind of difficult at first, so here's just that first movement. Once you're really used to that, just practice the second movement, both hands together. Now, you can put them together, start really, really slow. Here we go. Foot and hand, both hands. Foot and hand, both hands. Bass and hi-hat, hi-hat and snare. Bass and hi-hat, hi-hat and snare. When you speed that up just a little bit, you kind of start to feel the beat a little bit more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice how when I'm counting out loud, the bass drum is falling on beats 1 and 3, snare drum on 2 and 4, and the hi-hat is on every single beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's add some music to this, so that way you can kind of get an idea of how it sounds with maybe another instrument playing. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that was about a medium speed. You can go slower or faster. I would recommend absolutely starting much slower than that. Once you work your way up, we can go a little bit faster. So here's that rock beat, a little bit faster than that. 1, 2, 3, 4.